Hi everyone, today we're gonna work on operation with number. So we're gonna deal with the division. So it's division and multiplication are the easiest one. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you guys. Okay, salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Bote na bandeko nyonso bozala na nga lelo tokotravailler na biso na operation with number. So eza toko expliquer bino ndeni to utiliser ka division. Okay, so So when we're dealing with the division, it's a similar to multiplication when we use the number, okay? I mean the sign number, okay? So when we have two positive, it give us positive. When we have two negative, it give us positive. When we have a negative and positive, it give us negative. When we have a negative and positive, give us negative, okay? So it's easy. We're gonna come here. In this case, for example, when we have 12 divided by 3 equal what? 4. When we do, for example, right, 12 divided by 3, so we do like this. This one is 12, right? Divided by 3, right? So what number when we multiply is gonna give us 12? 4. So 3 times 4 equal what? 12. Right? So the answer here is 4. Right? Now, 4 plus divide by plus equal positive. Okay, is a positive. So equal positive. Okay? Because what happening plus, right, divide by plus equal plus. Okay? Now plus positive divide by negative equal negative. Okay, equal negative. When we have minus negative divide by negative, it's gonna give us positive. Okay? When we have negative divide by positive equal negative. So that's how we do. So you need to know this. When you know this, it's easy to do it. Multiplication and division, trust me, easier. The only little bit kind of tricky one is the addition and subtraction. Okay, so it's really easy. Same thing here. So we got 24 divided by 3 equal what? So we're gonna, here we have minus, we're gonna give us positive, right? So when we divide this, how much gonna give us? Simple math. It's really simple. So give you 3 minutes to do it. So what is the answer? So when we do 24 divide, so divide by 3 equal what? We need to find the number when we multiply, it's going to be 24. So 24, so if we do 3 times 7 equal 21. If we do 3 times 8 equal what? 24. So the answer here is going to be 8. 8 times 3 equal 24. Right? And then 0. Right? So the answer here is going to be 8. Positive 8. Huh? Right? So it's really easy. Really easy. Okay? You got me here? So that's what I explained to you guys. Okay? So when we have two negative, it's gonna give us positive. When we have two negative, it's gonna give us positive. When we have two positive, it's gonna give us positive. When we have negative divided by positive, it's gonna give us negative. When we have positive divided by negative, it's gonna give us negative. Eh? Really easy. Come here, same thing. So when we do here, minus divided by positive equal what? Minus. Now when we do 30 divided by 3 equal what? 30 divided by 3 equal what? 10. 10 times 3 equal what? 30. Okay, minus 0. So the answer is minus 10. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, so we're gonna do a lot of exercise. If you don't get it, it's okay. I'm here to help you guys. Don't panic. I'm here. So all those things I'm trying to explain to you guys. Look, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. When I left my back home long time ago, no, I didn't do this. I didn't learn this in school. No, all those things I'm teaching you guys, I didn't when I was in high school, because I left back home just when I passed high school, and some of those stuff I just nobody explained to me how to do it. I just learned this myself. To be honest with you, the only thing I learned in high school, it was when I passed grade what? When I was in grade 11 and 12. That's the math I did. So when I finished preschool, I passed in a grade. I passed when I just passed high school, right? To start from which grade is that? Let me see. 9, 10. Yeah, I didn't do it. So I ended up doing grade uh 11 and 12 math. So all these things, I decided to go to the library, get some book, teach myself. That's how I learned this. It's easy. Nobody I didn't really go to school learn this. No, myself. So what I'm teaching you guys based on my life experience. But when we start the other stuff I learned in when I was in high school here in Canada. So I'm gonna cover a lot of stuff, include the college math. Okay. So we're gonna do a lot of exercise. Okay. So we're gonna work on this. Okay. So when you look at here, we have 12 divided by 4. So remember, this is similar to this. In case you don't get it, I'm gonna write down for you. This 12, right? Sorry. So 12 plus divide by plus 4. It's same thing. Same thing. The only thing is they don't show positive here, but it's the same thing. Don't get confused. So 12 divided by 4 equal what? So when we do 12 divided by 4, right? 12 divided by 4. So we need to find a number that if we do 2 times 4 equal 8. 3 times 4 equal 12. So we're going to put it 3 here. 3 multiplied by 4 equal 12. Minus here 0. So the answer is going to be 3. 3 is our answer. Okay? 3 is our answer. So you don't really have to put the plus here. No, you don't have to put that. No. It's okay when you write like this, but they understand. Now here, it's same thing. It's same exercise. Same. You see here, the only difference here is the bottom is different. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna do 12 divide by 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 4 times 3 equal what? When we put 4 times 3 equal 12. Right? And then minus 0. So we're gonna get this 4. We're gonna put right here. right? Now, don't forget. We have plus here, we have plus here. What is that? Plus divide by plus, minus divide by minus is gonna give us plus. We're gonna write this, positive 4. In reality, you don't have to write it. No, you don't have it. You don't need to do that. 4, it's good enough. This is the answer. That's it. Okay, you don't need to write that. Okay, that is good enough. You don't have to write this. That's it. That's the final answer. Okay, so we're gonna do the next one. So this is the one we're gonna do. Remember, here is a part. This one, in case you don't get it, I'm gonna rewrite it for you. Minus negative 12, divide. In case you don't get it, it's divide by positive 4 and equal. Right? Now, when you see negative and positive, it gives us negative. It's like this. Like this. Positive divide by positive equal positive. Positive divide by negative, you're gonna give us negative. Now, minus divide by minus, you're gonna give us positive. Now, minus divide by positive to give us minus. So here we have negative, here we have positive. So 12 divided by 4 equal what? 3. When we do 12 divided by 3 by 4, so 12 divided by 4. So we need to find the number when we multiply. It's gonna be this. So 2 times 4 equal what? 8. 3 times 4 equal what? 12. So we're gonna put the 3 here. 3 times 4 equal 12. Minus 0. So we're gonna get this 3. We're gonna put here. This is the answer, the 3. Okay. Now we have positive and negative. This one is negative. It's right here. This one is positive right here. So negative divided by positive is gonna give us what? Negative. So equal negative 3. That's the answer. Okay. We're gonna do the next one. Okay. So we're gonna do this one. Okay. So now same thing. We have minus 12 divide positive 3. Because when you have a positive here, you don't have to write them. But I'm writing like this for you to see. Okay. So we're gonna do the division. 12 divide by 4 by 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. Then this is so 4 times 3 equals 12, and then we do here equals 0. So you see this 4, we're gonna put right here. Right here. Now the thing is, here we have a negative, here we have positive. Now when you look at here, we have negative, here we have positive. So negative divided by positive equal negative. So it's gonna be negative 4. Okay, so that's the answer. Right? Don't panic. Multiplication and division are the easiest one. Okay, really easy. Okay. So I'm gonna stop here for today. In case you don't get it, please watch it 2 times. You should be good. Okay. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.